Good morning, everybody. We are Team Pspk from Assumption University. Soil is a precious gift from the nature and the birthplace of many living things. Plants need enough nutrition from the soil to be able to grow, and for all living things to be strong and healthy, soil is the main factor for this.
Soil is the beginning of food production. As we need soil to grow crop for food, so soil quality is considered as the important factor for food safety. The healthier the soil is, the better the quality of food we eat.
But if we look now, we will see that the quality of the soil is decreasing every day. This is the result from contamination created by humans, whether we intend to do or not.
But in the end, it has worsened the soil situation. This can lead to food contamination and put many people's lives in danger.
Thailand is an agricultural country, and half of the population are farmers. Our lives have always depended on soil, from the past to present and of course in the future. So soil is considered as an invaluable inheritance that will pass from generation to generation.
But how could we know that this invaluable thing would last forever? Maybe in a couple years, the land that we are standing on might turn into a desert and will not be able to plant anything anymore.
The awareness of the problem is the key, just like how the late King Bhumibol Adulyadej always has had. He noticed the hardship of his people to cope with soil pollution.
That is why the king initiated the Royal Initiative Project in attempting to observe and study the soil problems. With his dedication, tons of solutions were given.
One example is the vegetable grass project, also known in Thai as โครงการหญ้าแฝก a project to cope with soil degeneration that used vegetable grass, which seems like an unusable plant but has a lot of benefits and does not require much care. This plant is inexpensive, so the farmer would not have to spend much money on planting them.
Vegetable grass can help preventing soil erosion by penetrating its roots deeply down into the soil. Once it grows, it will increase the capacity for the soil to absorb more water and prevent the soil erosion.
Another important project is the soil activation project, also known in Thai as โครงการแกล้งดิน an experiment to handle acid soil. In the past, we used to believe that the acid soil land cannot give us any benefits.
But the late King Rama IX had brought a change to our belief forever. The soil aggravation theory studies how we can make acid soil, being able to grow plants for agricultural purposes. The process begins with making soil acidic by alternating between wetting and drying the soil. This process could boost up the chemical reaction of the soil, and then the soil turns to be suitable for planting.
These two projects are well-known solutions to solve the soil problems and widely used throughout the country from the northernmost to the southernmost part of Thailand. Every idea that His Majesty the late King had initiated is just aiming for his people to follow and adjust them in their lives.
We might perceive that these soil problems are far away from us as we are not farmers, and we may not implement the mentioned solutions by ourselves, but we can help solve the problems by many other ways.
First, we can stop using chemical insecticides in our home garden and use non-chemical insecticides made from leftover fruits and vegetables instead.
Moreover, donating money to support the organizations that involve in soil preservation is another easy way to help protecting the soil.
His Majesty the late King Bhumibol Adulyadej once says, "Nature is something outside our body, but the mind is within us." This quote means we cannot control the nature, but we can control our mind. This is our responsibility to carry on his wish by giving more nurturing and understanding in return to all the benefits that we got from the soil.
Soil is the foundation of everything. We cannot imagine our lives without soil. So we must realize its importance and preserve it before it is too late. We should be a solution for soil pollution. Thank you.